We are now going to graph two more examples of circles from completing the square. So I have x squared plus y squared minus 2x plus 4y equals 10. Once again, let's group all of the x's together. Y squared minus 4y plus blank equals 10 plus 2 blanks. Now I'm going to take negative 2 and divide it by 2, because negative 2, again, is the middle term. So that gets me negative 1. Negative 1 squared is 1. So I'm going to get x minus 1 squared, and then I'm adding 1 to both sides. Now I'm going to take negative 4, divide that by 2, and I get negative 2, and then negative 2 squared is 4. So I have y minus 2 squared, and I'm adding 4 to both sides. So I have this equation where the center is at 1, 2, and the radius is the square root of 15. So I can have problems where I complete the square where I end up with a radius that's not exactly awesome to look at, but I have my center at 1, 2, and then I'm going to go slightly less than 4 in the up, down, left, and right directions, because, again, a radius of square root of 15 is going to be slightly... That wasn't a great drawing. Sorry about that. But a radius of square root of 15 is going to be slightly less than 4. Next problem, x squared plus y squared minus 2y minus 35 equals 0. So I'm going to add 35 to both sides. I'm going to collect all the x. Oh, wait a minute. There's only an x squared. There isn't any other x term. That's okay. That actually makes our life a little bit easier in this problem. I don't have to complete the square for the x. So I only have to complete the square for the y. So this negative 2 divided by 2 gives me negative 1. And then negative 1 squared gives me 1. So that means that I have x squared plus y minus 1 squared. And then I'm going to add 1 to both of those blanks. So I end up getting 36. Just a reminder that y minus 1 squared comes from the fact that if I factored y squared minus 2y plus 1, I would get y minus 1 squared. So now that I have this, I have the center at 0, 1. So notice that x without any sort of h term means that it stays at 0, and then the y is at 1, and then my radius is 6. So I do my best to draw a circle of radius 6 appropriately.